This video will be an update to the review I did for the Artifact Uprising wedding guest book that I did a few years ago. Since then, our guest book was used in our actual wedding, and I will show you the results of how it has held up. Now, the other video is more detailed, so I'd highly recommend you to watch it as well if you're trying to decide whether or not to buy this product. So without further ado, let's see how this book has held up. First, let's talk about the type of paper that this book is using. The paper here is called Superfine. Artifact Uprising themselves recommended the Superfine paper versus Luster if we plan on having people write in it. So it's a matte paper with eggshell texture that allows pen ink to better absorb and not smear. Our guests signed the book using black Sharpie pens, which I really love. The quality of the pens are great, they last forever, and as you can see, there was no smearing going on, and there's no bleed. And I think part of this is because the paper quality is so good. Look how thick it is. It's about 1 millimeter thick, so there was no chance of any sort of bleed through. And yeah, we have a couple of blank pages. I guess our guests were just a little bit nervous about signing within the book. A ton of them signed on the front and on the back. And so as you can see, that works out well too. The base book comes with 20 pages. However, I really needed a few more just to get all of our photos to be able to fit inside the book. So we ended up with 26 pages, which makes this book about 1 inch thick. Each additional page is $4.50 for our album size, and we got the 8.5 by 8.5 inch book. So that's all I have for this updated video. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from us. Bye!